Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the National Institute of Technology recruitment notification. So here any post-graduation and only post-graduation related jobs, guys. So any post-graduation means whatever the specialization you might be, but the PG is required, and even the freshers also can apply for this post. So here the two different designations are there. So diploma or graduation or post-graduation required. So let us see the details regarding this recruitment, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details, I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a National Institute of Technology, Raipur. From this one here, we got the advertisement for the contractual post of Assistant Engineer Civil as well as Assistant Registrar. So here the advertisement copy, conditions copy, and the application format copy, recruitment rules as well as the newspaper advertisement. So all these things are mentioned here. So first we will see the recruitment rules, guys, where the eligibility conditions and the pay scale, all these things are mentioned here. Of course, there is no pay scale, consolidated amount. So while coming to the assistant engineer on consolidated pay, pay level for the post of assistant engineer on consolidated pay, 30,000 rupees per month will be available. Age limit not exceeding the 40 years. Education and other qualifications required here is BE or BTech with 60% marks in civil engineering from a recognized university or institute, or diploma with 60% of marks in civil engineering with excellent academic record. So graduation or diploma, you may apply for this post, guys. And the desirable experience of working as engineer in the education institutions or PSU or bank or MNC. So it is a desirable qualification. And coming to the assistant registrar post, consolidated pay for the post of assistant registrar 30,000 rupees per month, and age limit is not exceeding the 40 years. And the essential and other educational qualifications are required here are master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% of marks, or its equivalent grade in the CGP or UGC point scale with a good academic record from a recognized university or the institution. Fine. So here, any post graduation you might be, you must have the 55% of marks. Then the work experience is also not required. Okay. Even though if you are a fresher, then you may apply for this assistant registrar post. Coming to the desirable qualification in the area of management or engineering or law and experience of working in the e-office system. Fine. So these are the desirable, guys, not the mandatory. So the candidates who are looking for the job opportunities with only post graduation, then you may apply for this post, that is the assistant registrar, and age limit is not exceeding the 40 years and 30,000 rupees per month you will get. Fine. And coming to the few general conditions are given here, so we will check out this one also. Candidates are required to apply in the prescribed format available at the institute website with complete information, original demand draft, and with all necessary self-attested documents in an envelope duly superscribed. Application for the post of dash, that means either assistant registrar or else the assistant engineer, okay, must be sent through speed post or registered post to the registrar NIT Raipur GE Road and must be reached by 30th 9 2021 evening 5 o'clock. And application fee is 1000 rupees for general OBC and EWS candidates and 500 rupees for SC, ST and PWD candidates in the form of DD from any nationalized bank drawn in favor of director NIT Raipur, payable at Raipur, must be enclosed with the filled application form, and the DD should be drawn on or after the date of advertisement but before the last date prescribed for the receipt of the application. Okay. And application once fee will not be returned under any circumstances. And the candidates applying for more than one post are required to submit the separate application form, and you have to pay the separate application fee also. And the applicant will be responsible for the authenticity of the submitted information, and the tenure of the contract may be extended as per the requirements of the institute. Fine. And the age limit and the qualifications or experience etc. for all the posts shall be determined as on the last date of submission of application forms, and the age relaxation will be considered in case of SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, PWD and ex-servicemen as applicable in the central government. I mean, generally SC, ST will get as a 5 years of relaxation and OBC non-creamy layer get 3 years of relaxation. But you once check, guys, as per the rules. Okay. So any application without required certificates or testimonials and without ST, SC, OBC non-creamy layer certificate issued by the competent authority is liable to be rejected summarily. And yeah, these are the points given here. So you please once check down, guys. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So to get the most accurate and the clear details, you have to visit once the website link that I provide in the description box of this video. Okay. So it is advertisement. So one post is there for the assistant register and assistant engineer. Also one post is there, and the consolidated pay and the contract tenure. The contract tenure may be extended, so there is no surety for that one. And you can download the application form and other instructions from the institute website. The last date of receipt of application is on or before 30th/9/2021. So these are all the details, guys, that they provided. And if you want to get the application format, okay, here you just click on this one, application format for contract recruitment of AE and AR. Okay, so it will be downloaded. So once after downloading, you just open that one, guys, and the application form will be open. And just check out whatever the different particulars are given in the application format, okay, to fill up all the details. So please carefully fill up all the details, whatever they are asking. So it is application format that you may check out. Assistant register or assistant engineer. If you're having any post graduation, then just put a tick mark on this one. And advertisement number, advertisement date, and fee remittance, and the name of the applicant, as well as date of birth and nationality, address for the communication purpose, educational qualifications, and the experience. You have to attach the self-attested copies of the educational qualifications as well as the experience qualification, and present employment is there or not, and what are the languages you can speak, read, and write. Okay, so those are all the points you have to mention, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job with only post graduation and any post graduation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So interested candidates may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes, Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.